Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to link your Stripe account to Quickbooks using your smartphone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And you need to create your account on both Stripe and Quickbooks. Also make sure you have the Quickbooks and Stripe app downloaded on your phone. Now go to the Quickbooks app. Here I have already created my account in Quickbooks and I'm already logged in. You need to log into your Quickbooks account as well. Once you are logged in, you'll see this interface of Quickbooks app. This is the home page of the Quickbooks app. Now scroll down a little bit and here you can see the account section. You'll see the link accounts button, tap on it. Now here you can see the search bar, tap on it and type Stripe. Select the first option, Stripe corporate card. It'll help you to link your Stripe account, so tap on continue. From here, you need to select your Stripe account. Here my Stripe account are already saved in my phone, so it is showing me up here. You can just select your account that you want to connect to Quickbooks, or you can even create a new Stripe account right away. For now, I'll just select my previous Stripe account and tap on connect. And that's it. Your Stripe account is now linked to Quickbooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.